Guys, Chris CJ Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in. So guess what? We're going to make a really quick and easy venison recipe. I was at the Sportsman Club shooting with a buddy of mine, some 3D archery, and he said he's got a bunch of ground venison, and I thought, well, why? Because I think the next deer that I get, I'm going to grind up at least half of the thing, because it seems like we go through the ground more than anybody. Chilies, snack sticks, burgers, meatloafs. I mean, having ground venison, I think, is better than anything else aside from the straps, right? So, I don't know. Anyway, easy, simple, quick chili recipe that you can make in just, a half hour of your time, and then, obviously let it cook. But it's real simple. I'll go over exactly what you're going to need. So I'm just going to come over here and work the camera, if you don't mind. I can't see everything, but that's all right. Anyway, get a pot. You're going to need 1 green pepper. You're going to need 1 to 2 onions, depending on the people in your house. Jess doesn't like onions too much, so I use just 1 onion, but you could put 2 in it and it's still pretty darn good. So of course, 2 pounds of ground venison. Okay. You're going to need 1 to 2 cans of kidney beans. I don't like a lot of beans, so I use 1 can, albeit most guys probably want to use 2. Okay, so there you go, use 2. You're going to need a big can of tomato puree, 2 cans of diced fire roasted tomatoes. It's got to be fire roasted, okay? That's very important. Get fire roasted tomatoes, okay? You're going to make up the seasoning. The seasoning is made up of 1/4 cup of chili powder, okay? It's going to be made up of, depending on your palate level, how spicy you want it, 1/2 to 3/4 of a teaspoon of red cayenne pepper. If you want hotter, by all means throw more in it, but I'm feeding it, everyone in the house, including 7-year-olds, so I got to take it easy with the heat. So cayenne pepper, tablespoon of oregano, okay, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, teaspoon of ground coriander, and 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. You're going to need about 8 to 9 cloves of garlic, depending on the size of the garlic, and I will show you guys how to put it all together. Alright guys, so first thing you want to do, heat up about 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable or olive oil. I really personally don't think it matters. Alright, from there, what you're going to do is you're going to chop up your onion and your pepper. We're going to throw that in the hot pot. Okay. Try to get it all in the pot and not all over the floor like I did. Alright. So in the pot. We're going to soften the vegetables up. It's going to be, I don't know, what do you think? 7-8 minutes? So do that, and then you're going to add your mixture that we talked about earlier, okay? Get all that in there. Alright, and cook this for, like I said, about 7-8 minutes until everything is soft, okay? Alright, so from there we're going to go ahead, we're going to add our minced garlic, okay? Go ahead and let that cook in the pot for about 30 to 45 seconds. And then once that cooks for that period of time, we'll go ahead, we'll add our ground venison. Alright guys, so once you got your ground venison browned up, this is basically what you got, okay? So from there, you're pretty much on the home stretch. You're going to go ahead, you're going to add the tomato puree. Alright, 1 large can of tomato puree. Add that in there. Alright, get it all. And then you're going to add both cans of the fire roasted tomatoes. Okay. Drain your kidney beans and then add your beans. Alright. Like I said, use more than 1 can. I only use 1 because I just don't like a lot of beans. Okay. So what you're going to do from here, you're going to stir that up real good. Get it simmering. And once it's simmering, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cover it. And you're going to let it simmer covered for a half an hour. Okay? Then you're going to come back to it, stir it up, don't touch it. Let it, just let it simmer for that half hour. All right. Then you're going to come back, take the lid off of it, stir it, and then let it simmer for another half hour uncovered. Okay? So we're going to cover it up, turn our heat down, okay? Let that simmer half hour, and we'll come back. Alright guys, so we went ahead, we simmered it covered up for a half an hour. I came in, uncovered it, stirred it, let it simmer for another half hour, and you're done. That's it. It comes out fantastic. I know you're gonna love it. It's a quick, easy chili recipe. You don't have to spend the entire day making it like you do some other recipes. And I really think it tastes almost as good. Salt and pepper it to taste. But let me know what you think if you make it. Comment below, share, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, we'll see you. Take care.